welcome to a Chanel unboxing video. I'm gonna just get straight into it because I'm very excited to be revealing this new Chanel on my YouTube channel. Disclaimer though, although I am unboxing two items, only one of them is mine and then one of them is something that my mom picked up as well, but you guys are gonna love what she picked out. I absolutely love it myself, so I'm very happy to show it to you guys on my channel. Another thing is that if you already follow me on Instagram, you will already know what one of the items is, but I haven't officially revealed it on YouTube, so I'm going to be talking a little bit more about this item, why I purchased it, and everything like that. So if you are interested in seeing what I've picked up, please continue watching this video, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. Alright, so we're going to start off with the item that I bought myself first. This one, like I said, I've already revealed it on my Instagram, but it was just in like a reel, so I didn't get to talk about it or anything like that. Eee, it's so tiny. I love it so much. If you guys don't know what it is yet, comment below and give me your guesses, but I'm pretty sure a lot of you already know which one this is. I'm so happy that I was able to pick up something from the 22C collection, which is what this is from. And I'm so ecstatic that I got like the item that I really wanted. And it's like so unique to my collection and everything. And like I said, I'm just very excited. Alright, so here I have to reveal to you guys my new from the 22 Cruise collection or 2022 Cruise collection. Chanel mini vanity case. Oh my god. This is the Chanel mini round vanity case, and I cannot tell you how happy I am with this bag. I did get this maybe like a month ago now, and I love it so much. Like, I brought it with me on our trip to London and took some pictures with it. And it's funny because a lot of people are turned off by these bags, including me, because they're so small. But after using it, I've realized how like great it is as a mini bag, and I've really learned to use it like in tandem with like my bigger bags. So I find that I kind of use this bag as like maybe a wallet on chain type bag, where if I'm going about my day like normally, I have to bring like my bigger tote bag or whatever, but then I can just, you know, grab this as well, and it can hold some of my like essential items, which I actually will show you what you can hold in here. I did a reel on it the other day and it got so many views. Thank you guys so much for supporting my Instagram if you watched that. But I will also show you on this channel what it can hold really quick, because it isn't much, so it'll be very fast. When you open it, there's two compartments. So the first compartment just looks like this, but there's also like a little mini mirror inside as well. Right now I've got the plastic on there, but I just think it's really cool. It definitely plays into the fact that it is a vanity case, so you can touch up your makeup in this little tiny mirror if you need to. Mine also came with the tags and then of course the authenticity card. It is a 31 series, and this is the code for the bag. Although if you guys are still looking for this bag, you probably have to go through like a personal shopper or you know, get it at a premium price, because I don't think that they're selling these anymore in store. All right, so what I do in the first compartment is usually put my oil blotting sheets, and then I have my eyelash glue, and then a little lipstick. And then I can put either my AirPods or a hand sanitizer in here. I can't do both, but they're around the same size, so I'll just show you that a hand sanitizer fits. And then my card case actually does not fit in here, so this is the card case I'm using right now. It's too big, so I would just have to grab my like ID and credit card. And then there is like a little flap on the inside right here, so I'll just stick my ID and my credit card in the back like that. And that's like pretty much all that you can hold in the front compartment. I mean, maybe another tube-like item. Oh, I think in the video I actually put this like mini concealer that I have in there too. But yeah, maybe like another tube-shaped item or a really small item. But I mean, I don't really see the point in trying to cram like another tiny item, especially because it's probably going to be useless anyway. All right, so that was the front, and then there is another little back compartment as well, which everybody's so surprised by this. There is just another little flap in here, so maybe if you wanted to keep more cards. And I actually can put my phone in here. So I have the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. So all I have to do is flip it closed and then stick it in the back, and then my phone can fit. So maybe if you have like a iPhone 13 or an iPhone 13 mini, you can probably fit it in the back. Let me see. Maybe upwards like this, but then obviously it would not be able to close. But with my Z Flip, it fits in perfectly. That's what I love about having my flip phone. It can literally fit in any bag. And here it is all zipped up. As you can see, the shape of the bag is pretty sturdy. It doesn't change at all. Let me just show you the rest of the bag as well. This one is in caviar leather, and it has really light gold hardware. A lot of people said it looked like silver in the pictures, but it is just a light gold. I think that this handle is really cute too. I plan on maybe putting like a little twilly or ribbon on here. I think it would give this bag a really nice, alternative look. And I don't know, I just find that I like this a lot better than like the round coin purses that Chanel have been releasing for the seasonal collections, because it has a flat bottom, so it can stand up on its own, and it has the top handle. So I don't know, I just think that this is the perfect bag if you were looking for like a little mini bag. A lot of people have asked me like, oh, because you have this one and you bought that like mini Chloe Drew, like have you totally jumped on the micro bag trend? Absolutely not. I sold my Chloe Mini Drew because I didn't love it and I couldn't really find, a use for it. And because I didn't love it so much, I like didn't make the time to use it, or like I didn't feel like I wanted to, like I do with this Chanel one. I know it's probably like the same size or whatever, but I just find that because it's Chanel and because it's like just a really cute bag that I've wanted, I use it more just because I love it, if that makes sense. So I think that does really make a difference too if you are thinking about the micro bag trend. Not all micro bags are made the same, and I just think that this one specifically is really good. But would I add any more micro bags to my collection? Probably not, unless there's like a really, really good one. Let me share with you the price as well, because that is one of the reasons why I decided to go for this bag. When I went in the store, there was a Chanel 19 wall on chain in the exact same color in lambskin and this bag. And although I was thinking maybe the wall on chain would be a little bit more functional because it can hold a little bit more, I just didn't like fall in love with it like I did with this little cute purse. So that's why I ended up not buying that one. But yeah, also this bag was, let me see. All right, so this one was $26.25 before tax. It was a little bit cheaper than the wall on chain too. Actually, no, the wall on chain was like 3,000 something. So it was a lot cheaper than the wall on chain. With Chanel prices getting so crazy, I think that like the only items that I can like add to my collection now are gonna be like the smaller items, and this one just happened to be like something that I really liked. So I don't know, it just all worked out for me. I don't think like in seasons to come, like I'm always gonna buy like the mini bag or whatever. Like there's a really cute one for 22 spring, but I don't like really plan on adding anything to my collection for that one just because the prices are getting too crazy. But I definitely made an exception for this bag specifically because I just think that this color is the best. And this color is the NG123. It's really reminiscent of the 2004 classic pink, which I have right here that I'll just show you guys a quick comparison. The strap isn't like adjustable or anything, so I will actually show you in mod shots where it lands on my body. It's kind of like difficult right now because of my bump to really see how it would look maybe on you, but I will show you anyways because I know that it's helpful. All right, moving on to the item that my mom got. I'm really, really excited about this one because this is another really popular color from the 22 Cruise collection that everybody's like kind of been obsessing about, including myself. So I'm glad that she bought a piece in this collection. Sorry, did you guys see that? All right, so I have to reveal to you guys my mom's new, ooh, the color is so pretty. So this is the Elegant Chain Wallet on Chain. Oh my god, this color is so beautiful. I will tell you what color it is also because I think she has the tag in here. This is what the bag looks like. It's so freaking gorgeous. I love this color so much. It's like a light pink or like a beigey pink kind of color, and I think it just goes with her style so well. I just love how it's like a beige color, but it definitely has like a pink undertone, so if you're wearing like white or something, it definitely looks pink against you. So the reason why they call it the elegant chain is because of this thing. So the elegant chain has like several different kinds of bags in this line. This is actually the exact same size as my classic wall on a chain. You can kind of see now the difference. The front just looks like this. It's got like a long flap area, which I think is super cute. And then it's just got this Chanel logo on it. It's not like a turn lock or anything. It's actually just a magnetic closure. But I will show you on the back, there's actually a huge back pocket. So you can carry like more than what you would carry in a classic wallet on chain in the back. Like you can put several credit cards, your ID, some receipts, and even like bills in here if you like carry cash. So yeah, it's just really large. When you open it up, oh, the chain has fallen out. So the chain is also a little bit thicker than the classic wallet on chain. I think this wallet on chain like thin chain is the exact size that's on my round vanity case. But yeah, as you can see, it's a little bit thicker. So this one isn't adjustable or anything. It's really long. I also think that it's the same size as the like Chanel 19 wallet on a chain in terms of chain length. It's a little bit big on me, but my mom's taller than me, so it looks really good on her. Yeah, I just really like the contrast of like the really big chunky chain and then this like larger chain as well. I think that's so beautiful. So when you open it up, it's still got all of the classic wallet on a chain features. It's got the zip pocket that goes all the way down, and then everything else on the inside is just like the classic wallet on a chain. So there is 6 credit card slots on here, and then there is a pocket over here, and then this is like lined in a fabric lining, but then the pocket is leather. And I think overall this whole entire thing is lambskin leather. And then there is a zipper pocket, and that is also where the little plaque is. And then yeah, there's a front pocket as well. So this is the code if you guys are looking for this bag, but like I said, with any of the 22C collection pieces, I don't think that you can buy them in store anymore, but the color is NG120. Super gorgeous. I'm just so in love with this like beigey pink kind of color. I know so many people are either after this color or the color that I have, and we happen to have both now. Let me just compare the two. Oh my gosh, they go so good together. I would love to wear like these 2 bags at once. That would look kind of crazy though, wouldn't it? But yeah, let me share with you the price and everything of this bag as well. So we did both buy ours at Neiman Marcus, which is just so crazy because Neiman Marcus usually doesn't have any stock on anything, but they happen to have like 2 really great bags for us this season. So my mom paid $3,600 before tax, which is a lot for a wallet on chain. Yeah, that's kind of crazy to think about because it was almost $4,000 after tax. And like, look how tiny this bag is. We were playing around with it when she first got it, and it actually can hold exactly as much as a classic wallet on a chain. However, I think that it looks okay like when it's like this, but when this bag is stuffed full of like items, actually let me do that to show you now. All right, so I've put everything that I had in my round vanity case in here, plus like 1 or 2 more things. You can definitely put more stuff, but I just wanted to show you what it looks like when it's like stuffed. And I think that it is reminiscent of a Chanel mini. I don't have my rectangular mini anymore, but do you see what I'm saying? Like it just becomes a little bit more boxy, and it doesn't just look like a wallet on chain to me. I also will have to say that it is a little bit annoying because this chain, like I was saying, is very long, which is true with the classic wallet on chain, but you know how like with the classic wallet on chain you can kind of like, you know, twist it around or twist it like this to make the chain a little bit shorter, or you can even get one of those little chain shortener things. I have one somewhere, and then make it shorter. But with this one, because the chain doesn't move, like it's stationary right here, you can't really do any of that stuff. I mean, the only thing that I can think of is that if you wanted to cross it like this on the inside, you can, but it just makes it then too short. So this would just be like a shoulder bag, which looks great, but the point is that if you want to shorten the length to make it more of a comfortable crossbody, if you are shorter like me, it's just really hard. And to make it look good too. I don't know. I just don't think that it's as like versatile in terms of chain length as like a classic wall and chain. So yeah, that was it for the video. What do you guys think of our two little bags? Which one do you like more? Which color do you like more? Let me know in the comment section down below. And like I said, if you do have any questions about either of these bags, I know there aren't a ton of videos on them, so that's why I keep reiterating this. But if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Like I said, I don't really plan on buying anything from like the upcoming Chanel collections, except for maybe that heart bag, which I have my name on the list for, but who knows if I'll even get it. But yeah, other than that, Chanel unboxings don't come very often on my channel anymore, so I really hope that you enjoyed this one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you did like it, and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye!